Alright class, this is problem number 45 in section 4.8. I assigned this problem because it looks an awful lot like the types of problem you're going to see on the ACT. You're not going to see a problem quite like this on our test for this class, but I know this test up here, this ACT, can be an important test for some of you, and so I throw in problems like this to help you get a little more confidence to get ready for that ACT, and hopefully when you see a problem like this on the ACT, you can solve it. So this problem, 47, 49, and 51, and all the problems in between, all the even problems which I didn't assign, they're also ACT type questions, which will be in your best interest if you want to do well on that test to know how to do those problems. Okay, so anyways, the problem we're doing is 45. We know we have a cube, and each side of this cube has a distance of a. And we're supposed to find the angle inside this cube that is associated with this red-based triangle. Red, it's got a black A value on this side, and it's got a blue hypotenuse. So I've tried to change the color so hopefully you can picture this triangle. So the first thing I did to solve this problem is I looked at the bottom, and I saw that we have a right triangle on the bottom. And for this right triangle, I have a side of A and another side of A. And if I use Pythagorean's theorem, A squared plus A squared, I should be able to find that red side, the hypotenuse. This becomes 2A squared. And then the red side then would be the square root of that. Well, the square root of 2 is 2. The square root of 2 is the square root of 2. And then the square root of A squared would be A. So using Pythagorean theorem in this formula, we got the red side. Okay, so why do we need the red side? Well, if we look at this triangle, the blue, red base, blue hypotenuse, and then the black side, we need one more side, and then we can use SOHCAHTOA to solve for that angle. We just found the red side in here. This is the square root of 2 times A. So we're going to take that triangle out, and I have it right down here. This red side is the square root of 2 times A, and here's the angle we're trying to figure out. If you look at this, and you remember about SOHCAHTOA, this would be tangent of an angle is going to equal the opposite over the adjacent, so opposite over the square root of 2A. Many students go, well, I can't solve this problem because it's got A's. Well, if you set this problem up correctly, the A's cancel out. Now this is something I can put in my calculator. What angle for tangent gives us a value of 1 over the square root of 2? Well, in my calculator to find an angle, when I have a ratio, I use the inverse function. So this is going to be 1 over the square root of 2. And that's going to give us our angle. So if you put that in your calculator, you should get, if you round to 1 decimal place, 35.3 degrees. All right, thank you for listening, and I hope this helps.